guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a challenge. Last to stop playing with fidgets. I'm just alone, so I just can do it alone. So I'm going to show you my fidgets, but first, like and subscribe. Okay, I got my 3 dimples. This is a triple dimple, a fries dimple, and a dimple, a rubber band dimple. Okay, and I got my puppets, a unicorn and a butterfly, and my noodles. So today I'm just going to answer to some questions and sit here and play with my fidgets. So the challenge starts in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So yeah. So today I'm going to tell you from where do I get my video ideas. I see like many YouTubers and see how much views they take, so I do the same thing. So yeah, so in the next video I'm going to show you a gymnastics move, a really nice trick and really nice gymnastics trick. So yeah, look, I'm still playing with my fidgets. So yeah. I'm just going to sit here and play with my fidgets. I'm going to tell you from where did I get all my fidgets. These were gifted to me. All of my gifts were gifted to me. This was gifted to me. This was gifted to me too. Unless this also was gifted to me from my mom. And this I bought it. So yeah. And this also was gifted to me. So yeah. So write in the comments if I stop playing with fidgets any second. So tell me if I lose or not. And I will save the mystery prize in the next video. Bye!